Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the third of the 4 videos for the Jaclyn Hair and Collab with Morphe Vault collection. I did a video on every palette. I will link down below and up top. I will link up top the last one I did, and down below both videos will be linked. So today's video will be on the Dark Magic palette, and by far this has been my favorite palette to use, hands down. And remember when I did the first video, which is Bling Boss, I said that 2 of the palettes I was excited about, the other 2 not so much. This is one of the other ones I was excited about, this one in Bling Boss, and this is what that palette looks like. The mattes in here blended beautifully. Honestly, all the mattes and all the palettes I've recently used blended beautifully. But what really made this palette stand out were the shimmers in it. The shimmers in here were a lot smoother. The ones in Bling Boss was a little chunky. The ones in Ring the Alarm were a little dry. These ones were a lot smoother. I really enjoy using the shimmers in here and the mattes as well. But like I said, in all the palettes I've used, I've really liked the mattes. Granted, though I like the shimmers a lot more in this palette, I still feel like these shimmers lack something. I don't know what it is. I can't really quite put my finger on it, but these shimmers lack something. I know they repressed the pans. Maybe they pressed the shimmers a little too hard. I don't freaking know. I don't know how makeup is made. It's burned up in here. But I enjoyed this palette, and I really can't wait to use it again. I love it that this palette is mostly matte. They're all matte except for 3 shades are shimmers. And I used 2 of them on my eyes today. And you know, like I always say, of course you can wet the shimmers and that will amplify them, but sometimes you really just don't want to do that extra step. So really quickly, I'm going to show you guys swatches, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into this look. So if you want to see how I create this really nice cut crease, and don't get me wrong, my cut creases still are not perfect, but I really do like the way it came out. So if you want to see how I create this cut crease, and just keep on watching.
That sound like something you'd be into. I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say. There's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't want to share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is.